Welcome back, Crammers, to question 13. P is equal to T minus AC. Work out the value of P given that these are the values we have to substitute. So we can start off with P is equal to T, which we found to be 18, minus, and see how A and C are multiplied together? That means we have to multiply A, which is negative 3, times C, which is 5. Now we have 18 minus negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. And when you subtract the negative, it becomes adding. So it's 18 plus 15, which is equal to 33. So P is equal to 33. Make x the subject of the formula D is equal to 3x plus 10. Before we can isolate x, we have to bring 10 to the other side. So we have D is equal to 3x plus 10. Bring this to the other side. We have D minus 10 is equal to 3x. And now we can isolate x by dividing both sides by 3. Now that we have isolated x, we have made it the subject of the formula. So now our answer is x is equal to D minus 10 divided by 3. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.